Welcome to the unit Humor. This unit: The Snake and the Mirror. B. The Duck and the Kangaroo poem. C. Little Bobby. Everybody, listening to his story, heaved a sigh of relief. Then one of the persons asked, "Doctor, is your wife fat?" The doctor replied, "No. The God had planned it otherwise. My wife is a thin, ruddy person blessed with the gift of a sprinter." Another person asked, "Doctor, did the snake follow you?" The doctor replied, "I ran and ran till I reached my friend's house. I immediately smeared oil all over my body and took a bath. I changed into fresh clothes. The next morning, around 8:30, I went to my room along with my friend, along with a few others, to pack my luggage and get shifted. Before we arrived there, some thief had removed almost all my belongings, but the thief had left one last thing as an insult." Another person asked anxiously, "What was that?" The doctor said, "My dirty vest. That fellow had such a sense of cleanliness, he could have washed it with soap and water and used it." There came out another question. "Doctor, did you see the snake the next day?" The doctor replied, "I hadn't seen it from then. It was a snake taken with its own beauty.